Most people see beef fat and throw them away. I see an opportunity to create something our ancestors valued for generations. Have you ever wondered how our grandparents made cooking fat before highly processed oil became common? Today, I'm making traditional lamb tallow from scratch, a simple time honored fat that has been used for generations in cooking and also in skincare. As the fat slowly renders, it transforms into a beautiful this gentle process liquid. Separates the pure fat from any impurities, creating a clean and versatile product. One of the reasons many people are returning to traditional fats is because they are minimally processed and have been part of human diet for centuries. Tallow is naturally stable at high temperature, making it a popular choice for cooking. I love the simplicity of this process. There is something grounding about taking a single ingredient and turning it into something useful with nothing more than time and patience. Yes, you heard me right. You need time and you need to be patient. For me, wellness isn't about perfection, it's about reconnecting with real food, understanding where our ingredients come from, and making intentional choices in the kitchen. Watching the tallow slowly melt down reminds me that some of the best things can't be rushed. Slow processes often create the most nourishing results. Once fully rendered, I will strain the liquid and allow it to cool. As it sets, it transforms into a creamy, nutrient-rich tallow that can be used in cooking, homemade skincare, balms, and soap. This is a beautiful example of using the whole animal, reducing waste, and embracing traditional food practices that have stood the test of time. Would you try making your own tallow? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to save this video.